This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Open the sheet and confirm you're in the right file. Next, select the cells you want to change, click and drag, Shift plus click, or press Ctrl plus it to select all. Once selected, decide the action. Clear contents when you want blanks left behind, delete rows or columns if you need structure removed, or use Find and Replace when removing specific text across a range. Make sure to check a small sample before applying to a large dataset so you don't lose important data. Once you know the text to remove, press Ctrl plus H or choose Edit, Find, and Replace. Enter the exact string, set Replace with to blank, and pick the scope, this sheet or a selected range, then Preview. Alternatively, use formulas. In a helper column, enter equals substitute, A2, remove. To strip text from one cell, drag down or wrap with array formula to transform a column without losing originals. Make sure to toggle match case or match entire cell when you need precision to avoid accidental replacements. To finish, remove structural elements if needed. Right-click selected rows or columns and choose Delete Rows or Delete Columns. That removes the cells and shifts surrounding data. If you only wanted empty cells, use Clear Values to preserve formatting or Clear Formatting to keep values. Once done, scan the sheet for unintended gaps. If something went wrong, press Ctrl plus Z immediately or open File Version History to restore a prior version. One key troubleshooting tip: always preview, find, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.